Hi, this is Logan from logansrunthepodcast.com, and this is another one of our tutorial videos. As a Talkshoe support representative, Dr. Robert White, Josh Budd, and I get a lot of different email requests and questions from our website, getsatisfaction.com, asking about various issues. And I thought it'd be fun to put together a short little video talking about 5 or 6 of the most popular issues out there. One of the questions we always get is, how do I contact the host? Now, if you look at the host TalkShoe support website, they should over here in the description have a means for you to contact them via their website. Like on my TalkShoe support site, I have logansrunthepodcast.com, and I'm also telling them how they can subscribe to the show on iTunes to get their dose. And we also have listed here my voicemail telephone number. If you want to call in and leave a voicemail about the show, you can do it that way. But also, under where it says hosted by, and it talks about the host there, you can click on their profile. And there, if the host has done their job correctly, you should have different ways of contacting. Once again, we have my website here, logansrunthepodcast.com, and it has 2 different email addresses where you can contact me about the show. If the host does not have any information down on this for his show or on his user profile, TalkShoe support cannot give out information. We will not give out telephone numbers. If they don't have an email address listed, we will not provide you with one because of the privacy issues. So it is up to the host to provide all the information how to contact him. If a show's out there and it's a popular show and you want information and you don't find the information in one of these 2 spots, we can't provide it for you. Another frequently asked question is, the host will send in an email to us there or at getsatisfaction.com is, I just finished my show, why hasn't it appeared for download? Well, that's an easy question. TalkShoe has on average 3,500 shows each week. So the moment a host hits end and then later on he hits the terminate button, it is sent on to TalkShoe to be processed. And while it is being processed, all the host will see is the options button here. He won't see the download or the listen button. Now, if you're just a regular listener calling in, you'll see the name of the show, but you still won't see these 2 buttons. The reason is that the TalkShoe is processing the show. On average, it takes between 30 minutes to an hour to process the show and to be uploaded into your TalkShoe page. Now, during extreme cases where there might be a glitch or there's heavy usage, it can take up to 24 hours. But I've been with TalkShoe as a host for on and off for 3 years now, and I've seen that happen maybe twice in that 3 years. On average, it takes an hour, about 30 minutes to an hour for your show to appear. Now, after about 5-6 hours, if your show still has not appeared, feel free to email us at support@talkshoe.com, and we can look into the issue for you. Another frequently asked question is about TalkShoe Live Pro, our standalone chat client. And if you have this downloaded to your computer, and you can find one of my training tutorial videos at logansrunthepodcast.com or talkshoesupport.com, and that will teach you how to download it. But the issue is people have downloaded the program, and they go in and they hit the download button here, and it takes them to a different page. And I'm going to show you that page right down here. The page looks like this one. Now they think, I've already downloaded the program, why is it popping up this page? And what happens is sometimes people have cleaned out their cache on their computer, they have wiped out their history, and even though the program is still installed on their PCs, it'll take them to this page. And if after you have installed the program, if you ever come back to this page again, it's very simple. Just hit the done button and it will take you back to the show page and go in again. And what happens then is it'll take you back, normally it'll take you back to the live page. Just go back in, hit the button again, and it will load up TalkShoe Live Pro for you. It's real simple that when the cache is deleted, you may just have to go in and hit that done button again, and you're all set again until you ever erase your cache, erase your history all over again. Another popular question we get quite a bit at Get Satisfaction is dealing with x-lite. X-lite is an SIP standalone program that allows you to dial in for free into Talkshoe. You can find my training tutorials at logansrunthepodcast.com or talkshoesupport.com teaching you how to download, install, and configure x-lite to work with Talkshoe. But the problem is a lot of times when people call in, they'll hear a busy signal and they'll see a message up here, call not available. And what's happening is people are calling in on a router, and a lot of times the router has had a small little glitch. It's a very simple way to take care of that, and we always recommend that you, if you're doing a big show, if you're a host, whenever you're about to record, to repower your router anyways. And what you do is you just reach around to the back and you unplug the power cable from your router for 30 seconds to a minute. This will disconnect you from the internet. After 30 seconds to a minute, plug it back in. Once the internet recycles back to your PC, all you should be able to do is hit the redial button, and you'll see the call established, and you will hear the Talkshoe operator welcoming you to Talkshoe. It's that simple. So if you get a message up in your screen saying call not available, and you get the rappy busy signal, just unplug your router from the power cable, wait 30 seconds to a minute, plug it back in, and after it recycles, everything should be good to go for you to call into Talkshoe. If you're using Talkshoe Live Pro, Talkshoe's downloadable chat client, and Windows 7, the first time you try to use it, you're going to come up and see a Java error. Windows 7 in Talkshoe Live Pro has a compatibility issue, but it's real simple to fix. What you want to do is go into your Start button and go to All Programs. From All Programs, you want to find the Talkshoe folder and right-click on Talkshoe Live and select Properties. From here, this pulls up the Properties folder, and if you've never used the Properties folder before, you have 6 tabs up at the top. You want to select Compatibility. From here, you want to go down to Compatibility mode and make sure, normally this will be blank, you want to put a check mark in Run this program in Compatibility mode. And from there, use the pull-down menu and select Windows Vista. Do not select Windows Vista Service Pack 1 or Service Pack 2. Even if you have them installed, select Windows Vista. From there, you can apply it. Press OK. The next time you go in and use Talkshoe Live Pro with Windows 7, you should run quite fine. Just go in and do this one time, and that's all you need to do. You won't have to do it again. Our last topic I want to touch on briefly is one of the people are sending a lot of emails to us or also on Get Satisfaction, and that is when they try to load into a page, they are getting what is called a 404 error. And what this is they'll see a little banner up at the top saying error 404, page not available, and some technical details into it. It's real simple. If you ever have that issue, all you have to do is hit the refresh page maybe once, twice, 3 times. It happens a lot of times when the server is real busy. Just hit it and refresh it a couple of times and it should pop up. If it doesn't pop up after that, that means there is an issue and a glitch going on, and we most likely are well aware of it and working on the problem. But a lot of times it's just a lot of people are loading into a page at one time and they have problems getting in. Just hit your refresh and it should take you there right away. Well, that's it for our training tutorial. I do want to show you one last little page here, and this is a page with a lot of resources, a lot of information. Talkshoe has a community-powered support page called Get Satisfaction. It is available at getsatisfaction.com/Talkshoe. And here you can sign up for an account and you can interact with Talkshoe employees. We're here to help you out. You can post down your issues, your questions, and we look at them daily and try to answer them for you. Well, I am Logan. I am a Talkshoe support representative, and this has been my training tutorial on some of the common issues and resolutions for Talkshoe.